In HRMS module, number of things are involved, but employee administration, greeting, event management, employee tracking, salary related, etc. These are some important modules. User can add departments, roles, and give permissions to employee accordingly. HR can create events or reminders which is visible to all employees. HR can send festival, morning greetings, birthday card to employees. Admin can track their employee, and employee can add all his, her on-site details here. This is just a demo for HRMS. You can see briefs on our site. Call for the details. Thank you.